So whenever we see that the Bangladesh first president, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman's, his house was demolished by over the 6 hours by Dhaka City Corporation bulldozer. So there we have seen that the administration was silent. So on this basis, you have you have made division by separating particular persons or their supporters. So on this basis, we can say that how you plan for reform Bangladesh or make unity, accept them, and are you an only advisor for the other half, excluding them particular parties or the persons?
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much indeed.
That's a lot of simple answer is lots of questions, lots of issues, all came at the same time. We can handle everything right away. So it's a kind of period that we have gone through. Things have calmed down, come to order. Now we are dealing with it. Bringing order to the nation was a big task for us because the police force that we got, yesterday they are shooting at the kids.
Looking to expand your business in the UK? UBM takes care of everything. Company registration, UK bank account, pay, insurance and tenancy. Start with UBM. Expand with confidence.
And today, suddenly they said, okay, clear the road, get out. Who are you? They want to beat you up because you killed my brother, you killed my son, you killed my sister. And now you're telling me to do what to do. So they're afraid to go to the road. So we had a deadlock situation. We didn't know how to handle those kinds of things. So it took time. And luckily, I can report you, that has come down now. People are accepting the police, all the people that we identified as the perpetrator of all the terrible things that happened to Bangladesh, taken out of the services, and they will be under trial. This is the trial becomes such an important thing. You know the person. It's not something some police, I know the guy who did that. It's in front of me, it's in my video. I can show you my video. The whole thing happened in Bangladesh with open videos everywhere. So all recorded. It's an amazing kind of uprising where every single event is recorded as it happened. Not one camera. Everybody has a camera. Everybody's taking it. It's all been assembled, it's identified, and we are trying to clean. We are not saying that we are a government to solve all the problems. We are successes. We have now a police force which can bring law and order in the country and so on. So we are, and the unity of the political parties is a #1 goal for us. We have been sitting together. All this thing we're talking about creating a July charter. It's not an easy thing for all the parties to sit together and debate. But we're doing that. And I'm promising you here, and I hope I can deliver you in July. July is next month. That charter will be announced in the presence of all parties. That's the best unity you can get in any country after a revolution within a month, within a year.
Okay.